Let's go. We'll take that. I cannot hit that shot any better. I don't know why. Let's go.
It's not going to be pretty, but for better or worse, this is Garrett Golfs.
Welcome to another round. We are here in the heat at Silverthorne Golf and Country Club. Par 72, 66.55. We are playing the tips. Today's goal, smooth swing in balance. One of the club pros at another course I played at said, I need to stay in balance. I'm falling off the swing, and he is correct. So today, hold the finish, play good golf. Let's go golf. Par 4, 386, no warm-ups. Somewhere on the right. Just off to the right, about 131 left, little pitch and wedge. Over the bunker, should be fine. On a little slope. A little over to the left. Looks like we went through on the left. We'll pitch wedge, bump and run, one putt to save the par. Yeah, we left a lot. Save the par. Not enough. Oh. Bogey start, that hurts. Par 4, 362, little dog leg left. We're gonna try to cut over that tree with a little fade. It's kind of close, might be a mistake. Little runny stinger. All right, 123 left. Luckily we went under that tree. Little soft gap wedge, looks pretty inviting. Not much danger, a little bunker on the right. Let's hit a smoothie. Let's go! Birdie, chance. Birdie. Par 5, 534. Let's keep it in play. Into wind. There's a bunker up on the left. We're going to fade it over that bunker in the fairway. Let's go. Perfect. 253 left. Water, pretty much force carry the whole way. There's people on the green anyway, so we're gonna lay up. Not fun, but probably will be smart in the end. I'm just gonna go up to this left side. I'm gonna chop a little 7-iron, a little safe shot up there, give us a nice line in. Wind's coming at us strong. Yeah, pretty perfect. Just what we wanted, safe up there. All right, just in the left cut, 137, pitch and wedge, into wind, in some rough. We'll see. Hopefully it's the right club. Pin is all the way to the right, close to the water. We're just going for the green. Bunkers are long. Just a little short for right, okay. Just on this little fringe, we're gonna try to chip a little 58. Ooh, it's pretty good. Just tap it in for par. Ooh, we'll take that. .353, par 4 into wind. This hole is always longer than it looks, so right fairway is where we're going to try to hit it. Well, we wanted right, we got right. 152 into wind, in the rough. Gonna blast the 9-iron, hopefully catch a little fly or lie, should be okay. Bunker right in front at us, so I wanna drop it right over it. Let's go. Got snagged in the rough, went right. Pin high to the right and danger. Camera can barely see it, but there's a bunker between me and the flag right there in the middle. So we gotta open up a 60, try to flop it through the rough, over the bunker, next to the pin. On and upstairs. Let's go! I cannot hit that shot any better. Let's say par. Pretty straight. Let's go. Ooh. All right, one of the signature holes, par 3 island. 150 all carry, pin looks tucked close. We're gonna go a little 9-iron. Little wind at us. Let's see what happens. Wind took it that away. Oh, fuck it. Splash leads to the drop zone. Low 58, let's try to save some. Into wind. Jesus. God. And the drop zone is thick. Oh, long bogey save. That was almost it. Double drop. Oh, that hurts. Par 4, 422, dog leg left. After that splash in this heat, birdie juice has been deployed. Let's go. Cut the corner. Duck. Ooh, 190 left. We got nowhere. A mess. Dog leg left still. I'm gonna take a 7-iron and try to hook it around these trees for the dog leg. Might be a mistake, might save us. Gonna hood the face and swing away. Oh. Let's see. Kind of worked. About 50 yards on the right. We do have a tree in our way now, so I gotta hit this pitching wedge, kind of bump it, run it up there. See what happens. Pin is all the way in the back. Get it. That was wild, almost touched the hole. Like, are you kidding me? We have to reward the pitching wedge and let it put it in. Oh, wow. Maybe the filthiest par ever, but I'll take it. All right, 550, par 5. All right, we're already changing our glove. It's so hot out. Mid-90s, humidity's probably 100. So new glove, doubling up our birdie juice. Let's focus. What's the goal of the day anyway? Balance. Already forgot about that in the heat. Let's balance this swing. Thinking a little right, a little low, but that's okay. Ooh, just in front of this fairway bunker. About 329 out, we got nothing out of that. Into wind, into the rough, but hey, we're still in play. Just gonna hit a 5 up there because I think there's people on the ground. Not that even I can make it there anyway. Just trying to find a fairway. 5-iron. Ripped somewhere up to the right. Ooh, we are certainly taking the scenic route today, but 133 left. We have a nice line in. Yeah, honestly, didn't look that bad. Just hit it smooth. might be close. It's funny, I didn't even see this massive bunker that was in front of me, but maybe it's for the best. Little putt up to save birdie somehow after living on the right. Let's save it. A little uphill, I didn't respect it. Par. Par 3, 183. It's a little downhill, bunker left, bunker right. Pin is on the left, but I'm just gonna try to hit the green. I'm gonna hit a 7-iron. I think it's a little down, should be fine. And no tee, I don't know why. And came off a little open on the toe. I think it's just in front of the green, maybe bunker. Just a little shy, pin high on the right, but rolled on the bunker. 60 degree, let's flop it out, let's save the par. Sand looks pretty packed. Made it out, but way short. Ooh, long. Let's see what we can do. Texas wedge. Clean up the bug. Brutal. Hole 9, par 4, 422. Number 1 handicap, hole on the course. Let's finish strong, try to save something. The par 3s are killing me, but let's finish part 1 strong. I had some action. It's going to be right side, but should be okay. Oh boy, we are on the right side of the universe in what looks to be some shitty yard grass. Got to go over this tree about 150 onto the green. There's water left. Ooh, 9-iron. See if we can get through it. Wind is at it. It's okay. Ooh, blasted it over. Let's pitch it down there, get it close for 1 putt for par. I don't know if you can tell, I've probably lost 10 pounds of water weight. But, YouTube. Pitch and wedge. Thought there'd be more break, but that's not bad. Let's save this par. go. And part 1. Thank you for watching. The heat has been brutal, but I've been trying. The part 3s have got me. The goal of today, completely forgot about. Stay in balance. Heat melted my brain. We'll try to get them on part 2. Thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. This course, it's been tough. The rough is thick, but the greens are nice. We'll see if I can just swing off the tee better. See you in part 2.